So reports in Studio Designer is probably the biggest takeaway in all of those reports, or the ability to look at things on screen and to document details. That's probably one of the best things in Studio. In actuality, I use the reports that are in standard reports as well as the legacy reports. Okay, that's about every report. I usually just jump to legacy reports because this has everything that I typically would use. And then I use this as a base report, and then I start to tweak the report to save my customs. Okay, and in this video, I want to show you some of my favorite custom videos or custom reports. And one that I like a lot because I can share it with the client is this one. And I'm going to show you what that looks like. Okay. These are going to be, things that you can default and drill down on. But what I like about this is that you can filter by client. You can actually filter for active and inactive items, when the project's really large. But you can get totals. You can get, tallied numbers based on your room. It shows the proposal and invoice numbers, the items itself, what we charged as a whole, okay, regardless of what it is. Any payments applied to it, and then the balance, okay, even if it's not invoiced. So that's what I like about it. If I were to pull an AR report, these totals wouldn't show up as due because they haven't been invoiced. Okay, and I want to make sure that's clear in Studio. Okay, but what I like about this is you can share it with the client. You can pretty much pull a lot of information and look at it from this standpoint here. Okay, and I like that it's shareable with the client. So that being said, I'm going to show you. So I take a project worksheet, and basically you're going to edit the report, and right here where it says specify data, you're going to scroll down here, and you're going to just basically use these drill downs to locate the things that you want to add to your custom report. And I wanted to just make this short and sweet. You can screenshot this if you need to, but this is what the report parameters look like to get that report that I just showed you. Okay, so you're going to want to just make sure it's in this order. You're going to select these because that tells you how to sort the information and where to group the totals. Okay, you can see that I am pulling information from these other sections, but I'm hiding those areas because I just wanted the total. If I added these, it would be a really long and wide report. Okay, so you got to just be mindful of those things. But this is the report, and you would either hit save or save anew. Okay, saving will overwrite the report, but save anew would give you a new report. So I'm just going to show you. So I try to put all the information. Okay, and I'll put duplicate so I can delete it. And I'll show you where to find that. Okay, so you can see here now that that's right here. That's the one that I just saved. Okay, I'm going to delete it, but that's how you would get that report. And there's a few others. If you have questions about what I've said, leave them in the comments. Please give us the thumbs up button if you've found this useful, and subscribe to stay updated. Thank you.